Hey there, in today's video, we're diving into a common problem that many Linux users encounter when setting up NAT configurations. The core problem revolves around achieving symmetric NAT behavior on a Linux system, which seems to be a bit elusive given the default setup. Let's explore this issue in more detail. Now, let's talk about the solution. The key lies in a specific set of commands that need to be executed in the terminal. By including the random flag with the MASQUERADE option in the iptables configuration, you can achieve symmetric NAT behavior. This tweak ensures that the firewall device uses a different source port than the client, aligning with the desired symmetric NAT setup. In summary, addressing the symmetric NAT challenge on a Linux system requires some additional configuration steps beyond the standard setup. By incorporating the random flag in the iptables rules, you can successfully achieve the desired symmetric NAT behavior. With this solution in place, you can ensure a more robust and accurate NAT configuration for your networking needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks.